Hi all, welcome to die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, we'll see how to fix this problem when you are uploading Betaflight firmware in your flight controller. So it will stuck in DFU mode. So latest firmware won't install in your flight controller. It will stuck in DFU mode. So how to fix this problem, we'll see in this video. So yeah, this problem will happen because of the wrong JADIC drivers. Okay, so most of the time what we will do, we will be installing these JADIC drivers from the flight controller, means like from the configurator. You can download here and you can install it. So even after installing these JADIC drivers also, it will stuck in DFU mode. So I have gone through the internet to find solution for this. I couldn't find any solution in the internet. So in the end, I've seen this impulserc driver fixer. So I thought of giving a try and it worked. Okay. So it's very simple. Just download this driver. Okay. Download this driver. Okay. So download it and run it. Okay, so when you run this one, just try to connect your flight controller with the computer. Okay, so that it will be identifying the, okay, so it will be searching the flight controller and it will find proper driver, okay, for the DFU mode. Okay, so yeah, it will be doing like this. Okay, it will install correct DFU driver. Okay, so make sure you also do this, then everything will be working fine. Okay. It will take a time. So make sure you connect your flight controller to computer while doing this one. Okay. It need to identify the flight controller and it will install correct DFU drivers for that. Okay. So yeah, drivers are fixed. Now you can install new firmware in this. So this board I don't need to put in yeah. So now you can see here, this is in DFU mode. Okay. So you can see here now, it is in DFU mode. Now I can select, this is the Mamba. This is Mamba F722B. Okay. So I'm going to install the latest firmware which is available here. Okay. Yeah. So now I will click on this load firmware. Okay. Then just flash firmware. So this is how you can fix the problem. Installing JADIC drivers, it won't fix your problem. So even I tried that. So I installed the JADIC drivers again and again. Still I have the same problem. So after using this impulse driver fixer, it worked. So it will find a correct driver for your flight controller and it will install so that new firmware will be updated properly. Okay, otherwise it will stuck in DFU mode. Okay, so now it is installed. Okay, so you can see here it is coming out from the DFU mode. So connect. So now everything is working fine. Okay, so this is how you can fix the problem. So if your quad is stuck in DFU mode and it is not updating the new firmware, so this is the method you need to follow. It's very simple. I'm just repeating one more time. So installing JADIC drivers, it won't do any change in the board. Okay, so what you need to do is just install this impulse RC driver fixer, so that make sure you connect your flight controller, then run this one so that it will identify the flight controller. Based on that, it will find correct DFU drivers and it will install so that your problem will be fixed. Hope this video will be helpful for you. So if you like this video, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel for more troubleshooting videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.